Hello everyone, good evening. Today we present the Satkam topic. My name is Shuraj Dharekar and my friends are Ashish, Aditya and Satyajit. Now start. The first question is, the company wants to do an analysis of the app and what it needs to improve it. Mind map the top 10 features you would want in the app for the electric scooter and explain which are the top 5 features which would be the most useful and why. First one is home dashboard, second one is navigation system, third one is the document hall, fourth one is the notification, fifth one is the smart charging monitor, sixth one is the ride analysis, seventh is the user profile setting, eighth is the customer support, ninth is the over the air update OTA, and the tenth is the tablet dashboard access. This is are the 10 features, and this is the diagram of the app feature. Next, Aditya is handling.
Yeah. So next one is what are some of the design considerations you will have for designing the storage feature, and what all will you need to consider for security of documents while designing the feature. So first is the design consideration. So there we will be doing unique account ID per user and cloud storage platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Then read-only access on dashboard. Then access for any devices. It means any cloud-based devices. So yeah. Next one is the security considerations. So we will be deploying end-to-end encryption, AES 256 encryptions, access controls, biometric, and OTP login, and read-only mode on vehicle screens. Next one. So third one is the list the potential reasons for any two of the issues which the customers have complained about, and write the test scenarios you will use to test and ensure they have been fixed. So first complaint is uncomfortable on gravel roads. So what are the potential reasons for that? Poor suspension system, low quality tires, ineffective shock absorbers, loose handlers, or frame vibration. The test scenarios are ride the scooter on gravel, dirt, and potholes at different speeds, measure handbars, vibration, and chassis stability using sensor, conduct rider comfort feedback surveys, test suspension compression, and rebound rates. Yeah. So compared to the battery drains fast with usage. So potential reasons are adult battery cells, inefficient energy management systems, poor optimizations in sport mode, and GPS navigation overuse without optimization. Test scenarios are compare battery usage in eco versus sport mode, and we have to use the eco mode by the way. Then ride same distance with the same user rate, and track battery consumptions per kilometer in various environments, city versus highways and all. Then monitor background app features GPS and Bluetooth for training impacts. Yeah.
One is a user inside out and outside technique of releasing a product to the market and list the top 5 things you should do in inside out planning to release the new app to the market and the outside in planning for releasing the new app. Let's just see inside out planning. First one is alpha testing, beta testing, bug fixes and improvements, employee training and initial documentation. In outside in planning, marketing plan, soft launch, app store rollout, feedback loop, and public support channel. The fifth is the company is collecting the data in the cloud already, but have had performance issues to update, collect the data, and update the app. What can be reasons for the what would be needed to be improved for the data integration from the vehicles to the cloud and to send the data post analysis to the app. Let's see the problem and fixes for cloud data integration. So first problem is data not syncing properly. How to solve this issue? We use real-time APIs like WebSockets or MQTT for low latency data transfer. Second problem is app shows old data. Implement background sync checks to always fetch latest cloud data. Let's the third one, files fail to upload. Use chunk upload with retry logic to handle network drops. Fifth one is a poor internet causes failure. Add offline mode with local storage plus auto sync when back online. Data mismatch between app and dashboard. Use versioning and timestamps to detect and resolve conflicts.
So let's see. Question 6. The company would like the app to have intelligence and rec- provide recommendation to the driver. What kind of data should app collect from the vehicles and what kind of recommendation can be done? If there is possibility to use ML and AI for this analysis, and if so, what can be the use cases? So let's see. Intelligence feature using ML AI recommendation for scooter app. What data to collect? Battery usage, health log, uh, ride history like speed, terrain, distance, GPS location and routes, acceleration, brake patterns, charging cycles and duration, parts uses like brake, tires, motor, temperature, user behavior like riding, timing, mode uses, like battery prediction, camera model predict battery degradation using fast cycles, use trick battery health dropping except expect 20% range in 3 months. Second one, smart route suggestion, analyze traffic, terrain and evaluation. Recommends take route B to save 88% of battery. Fourth one is eco driving tips. AI analyze acceleration and brake. Tips switch to eco mode and daily routes to gain 10 kilometers. Avoid hard braking to extend battery life. Smart reminder based on user. Stop this. Second one, what can be the business and operational metrics and measurement of the company used for the new version of vehicles and goals they have been for? Business metrics can be around revenue, profit, while operational metrics can be around quality, delivery time, etc. What all can be metrics which company measures for their performance when manufacturing and selling electric bicycle. So let's see business and operational metrics for new electric scooter version. Business goals and matrices. Metrics and target. Sales increased by 50% in 6 months. Profit margin moved from 10% loss to 10% profit up for scooter. Market rank climbed from fourth to at least second position, and price maintains same price as previous version despite improvement. Also, key issues like zero major issue repeated, charging time less than 4 hours, scooter weight match for beat and computer, uptime greater than 90% uptime, customer satisfaction 90% certified with scooter plus app, and support tickets like less than 10% total complaints.
Thank you so much from team. This was from our team. Yeah. Thank you, Satkam.